Hey guys, this is Bernie. We're out here on Granby. Cold outside. Got my ice armor on. Got a good bite though. And spooning up some nice little Lakers. That's a decent one. Come on, buddy. What we're doing is really simple. It's this clam blade spoon, little piece of sucker meat, jigging it real subtle off the bottom. These have rattles in it, so I'm shaking it. I'm shaking it, and then I'm dead sticking it, and they're hitting it. So we're gonna take that one home for dinner. Check it out, fishingwithbernie.com. Thanks for watching.